So hello guys, in this video we are going to be learning about variables. Part 1. Variables are containers for storing data values. Now how to create a variable. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. As you can see, to write a variable, you just need to type x equals and then whatever value, like phi, and y is equal to John. Then let's print x and print y. Very easy, right? That's not the end of the video. There are still so much things that variables have. Variables do not need to be declared when any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. So as you can see, x is equal to 4, and as you can see, x is a type of int. Int means integer, and then x is equal, then change the value to x is equal to Sally. Now as you can see, here's a comment and it's saying x is now a type of string or str. Casting. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. As you can see, x is equal to string of 3, y is equal to int of 3, and z is equal to float of 3. Now x will be 3, y will be 3, and z will be 3.0. Get the type. You can get the data type of a variable with the type function. So as you can see, x is equal to phi, y is equal to John, and as you can see, we can get the data type like print, and then let's see, and as you can see, print is a type of integer, so type will be x, and print is a type of string, so it will be y. Now note that you will learn more about data types and casting later in this tutorial. String variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes. As you can see, x is equal to double quote John, and then is same as x is equal to single quote John. So it is no difference. Now, variable names are case sensitive. As you can see, a is equal to 4, and then lowercase a is equal to 4, and uppercase a is equal to Sally. Uppercase a will not overwrite lowercase a. So that is the end of this video. Hope you liked this video. Hope you did. Smash the like button and see you guys next time. Goodbye.